At papakita yung kalsada, baka sabihin, hindi umaandar, puro upo lang.
Kunyari lang eh.
Oo.
What is it really that makes a guy cheat? Do we, us women, drive them to do something like that? Is it because
Tinit si Balat eh, pa video-video pa eh.
Ayaw nga maniwala si Lilin.
cheating is a lot of work that's just not worth the squeeze? Nakaka-stress po.
Kala nila nagbibiro ka te.
Ang pangalan niya.
Minamaliit ka nung dalawa na yun eh, no? Sabi mo, alam mo ko na maliit ako. Ganun.
Especially if you're living in a society
Ang gusto mangyari, tagabili lang ako ng kotse.
Oo.
It takes a lot of planning, a lot of covering up, faking expenses, faking work hours, and faking weekend escapes, and a whole lot more that's just not.
Post.
It could be probably a failing relationship or a guy that's addicted to a girl just plainly straying. Or worse, it could mean that he's so smitten by another woman that he doesn't care about his own lover
Ate.
or.
Wala nangyayari sa'yo sa loob.
90.7.
Yun nga yun eh, yung maingay eh, ano?
Araw-araw, ganun na naman.
90.7.
Uy kuya, ano ka?
Kuya nga eh, diba?
Yung dalawa nga naliligaw sa akin na nag-asawa na, diba? Anal na. Natanong, okay lang ka na anal?
Sige, magkwento ka, maririnig yan.
Wala.
Joke, joke, joke!
Peace!
Tekaway ka naman, te. Ayun, bunggo tayo. Kulubot! Ayan. Siyempre, pakita natin iba-ibang lugar. Baka sabihin.
Yan yung may ever.
Ito na yung Ever, ah. Yan. Tatawid. In the house. Tiyangge. Tiyangge. It's time. Araw ulan. Paano ma-atras ito, te? Kaya mo? Titanic. Into mo ay Titanic.
Ay mo sumama eh.